Hello friends, welcome to TechDT Twins channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create YouTube channel in Android. So, let's begin the video. Before creating YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail. If you don't have, then check the description box. At first, let's go to the YouTube. Click on the icon. You can add or select the Gmail through which you want to create your YouTube channel. Again, click on the icon. Click on your channel. You can give the name to your YouTube channel. Click on Create Channel. Our channel has been created. Now you can add the description about your channel. You can go to the setting and select the features given to the creators by YouTube. In next tutorial, I will teach you how to customize and verify your YouTube channel. If you have any problem, then comment below. Thanks for watching.